Jade from Sweet Softies, and today I'm joined by a special little guest. This is Lena. Lena, can you say hello to everyone?
Hello.
Oh, are you saying hello to the dragon? Okay. So this is our newest pattern that I've designed here. This is called the Cuddle Dragon Lovey, and it's a ragdoll lovey that has a flat body shape. It's perfect for snuggling up with, and I do have a series of cuddle animals already, including an elephant and a bunny in a similar style. So it includes a stuffed head that's 3D, and the rest of the body parts like the arms, the legs, the body are all flat and ragdoll styled. So it's a lovely little baby shower gift, a gift for a little one, birthday gift, or something sweet for a newborn. Just keep in mind that if you're giving it to a little one, be sure to use embroidered eyes instead of plastic safety eyes, because these can be a choking hazard. So you'll want to make sure it's safe. And this is made with Hobbii Baby Snuggle yarn, and I have that linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. I highly recommend the yarn because it produces such a nice plush amigurumi, and it really does look very stuffed animal-like. All right, Lena, do you want to share with everyone what this is called in Chinese? 这个叫什么？
恐龙。
Lena said konglong, which means dinosaur. And if we want to call it dragon, we say long. 你可以说龙吗？
恐龙。
恐龙, okay. That's okay. All right. And just let's go ahead and take a look at this pattern now. Yep, long. This dragon has
恐龙，不是龙。
Yeah, you're right. 不是恐龙，是龙. It's not a dinosaur, it's a dragon. This dragon has a tail that's attached to the back. It has arms and wings, as you can see here. The body and the legs are all crocheted together in one piece. And the little head has 2 horns on top, as well as 2 adorable ears. And Lena really likes this dragon. She has been snuggling it ever since it's been done. So I hope that your little one will enjoy it too. Be sure to check out the pattern linked in the description box below. And I hope you'll enjoy making it. All right, thanks so much for watching. We're going to say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.